Creating the Harmonious Inspiration Signature Facade Finishes by Terraco. This is the Drizzle Finish from the Minimal Collection using Terracoat XL. For creating this signature finish, you will need a roller, spatula, scraper, stainless steel trowel, and a PU trowel. Apply 1 coat of Terraco Pigmented P Primer or Tex Primer and let it dry. Apply 1 coat of Terracoat XL with a stainless steel trowel or scraper and remove excess material. Finish by moving the PU trowel diagonally at a 45-degree angle on the surface. You have now created the Drizzle Finish from the Minimal Collection of Harmonious Inspiration Signature Facade Finishes by Terraco.